Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can install and download Manuel on your PC. So the first thing that you want to do is scroll down below to the description and click on the first link. Then you'll get right here to Ldplayer. Ldplayer is an amazing tool that is going to help you install and play Manuel. So when you're going to click download Ldplayer, I created a video on how you can install it because I already got it installed. So here you're going to have download Ldplayer. I'll just fast forward the video. So here, you're gonna have, you're gonna install it, and then here I'll just uninstall the Google Maps that I just installed. Go to Home, System Apps, and Play Store. You have to connect your Play Store here in this application, and just press here Manuel, and I'm going to press install. Now when I'm going to have it, I will open. And then you have to register. Okay, then you need to allow it. Okay. Collect. And then you can start playing games. So this is how you can easily download Manuel on PC. So you don't have to use mobile, and you can have it, let's say, on mobile and on PC at the same time, right? And then you're gonna just play games. So yeah.